Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to book on Agoda. So whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, booking your stay has never been easier with Agoda. The first step I'd like you to take is you open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.agoda.com. You'll be greeted by Agoda's vibrant homepage, showcasing a plethora of travel deals and destinations. So at the top of the homepage, you find the search bar. Now in the search bar, this enter destination or property, go ahead and enter your desired destination and check in and check out dates and the number of guests. Then click the search button to proceed. So let's say I want this as my destination. I'm just going to click on that. And my dates, I think I'm just going to work with these dates then. So the day, I think that's cool for me as well, but adults, just one, and that's all. So once you're done, just go ahead and click on search, and it's going to take you to another window. So just go ahead and browse through the list of available accommodations that you'll be provided with. You can filter results based on price, star rating, guest reviews, and more to find the perfect match for your need. Then once you've found a suitable option, just go ahead and click on it to view more details. So I'm gonna click on this, and that's going to take you to the hotels page. Now on the hotels page, you'll see various room types available. Just go ahead and review the amenities, cancellation policies, and pricing for each room. And of course, once you've decided, go ahead and click on book now button next to your preferred room. So this property is in high demand. Okay. View this deal. Okay, so let's just go comfort single room. So I'm just going to click on book now. Just go ahead and click on book now next to your preferred room. And it's going to take you to another window where you need to enter your guest and payment information. So all you need to do in there is to fill in the required guest details, including full name rather, contact information, so who's the lead guest, and also special request. So once you're done with all of this, go ahead and click on next final step, and it's going to take you to that window where you can now fill in your payment details so that you can successfully place a booking. So fill out all of this, payment details, and select book and pay. That, of course, before finalizing, review all details of your booking to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, just go ahead and click on book and pay to complete the process. After booking, you receive a confirmation email from Agoda containing all the details of your reservation. Keep this email handy as it may be required during check-in. And that's it. Booking your stay through Agoda is a straightforward process that brings you one step closer to your next adventure. So go over the tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.